So I studied InDesign, had a B program, which was really nice. Yes, I do have to use InDesign on a daily basis, and I learned a few tricks that I didn't know before, which are really, really practical. So really happy with it. Oh, the trainer was great. I was really lucky. I was having the training. It was just me and the trainer. And he was really nice. He was really patient, and he answered all of my questions. So that was great. And actually, it was really good to be home. And I think I had more time to write everything down. And I was on my computer, which was really nice. So no, I really liked it. I liked it better than I thought I would. Yeah, it was really nice. I had more time to note everything down. It was great. It was convenient, actually. Yeah, definitely, yes. I was really happy, and the trainer was really, really great.